Hi kids! Today we will learn about types of verbs, main verbs, helping verbs, and linking verbs. So let's start. We know that verbs are the words that describe what action or work is being done in the sentence. So, verbs are the action words in a sentence. I go to play every day. So what action is being done in the sentence? Go and play. These are the action words or verbs. I sleep at 8 p.m. every day. What is the action word in this sentence? Sleep. Sleep is the action word in the sentence, so it's also a verb. We should wash our hands every time we eat something. Which are the action words in this sentence? They are wash and eat. These two words are action words or the verbs. Do not go outside. What is the action being talked about in the sentence? It is the action of going. So go is the verb. Come inside. It's too cold outside. Which word is the action word in this sentence? It is come. So come is the action word or the verb in the sentence. So go, play, sleep, wash, eat, go, and come are action words or verbs in the sentences we just read. So, the primary function of verbs is to tell what action is being performed in a sentence. But there are some other types of verbs also, such as linking verbs and helping verbs. Let's first learn about linking verbs. Linking verbs are called so because they link the noun or pronoun in the sentence with their description. They do not tell anything about the action being performed in the sentence. She is a pretty girl. She is a pronoun. Is a helping verb. A pretty girl is the description of the pronoun. So helping verb is linking the pronoun to its description. Let's learn another example. He has a big car. Here, he is a pronoun. Has is a helping verb. A big car is a description of the pronoun. The helping verb has is linking the pronoun he with its description. So kids, helping verbs link the noun or pronoun with its description. Let's have some more examples. He seems tired. The linking verb here is seems. It does not tell anything about any action. Kids, you can see that the verb seems links he and tired together. It provides information about that he looks tired. So, seems here is a linking verb. Let's see another sentence. This sweater feels good. The linking verb in this sentence is feels, as it links sweater and good together. Here's our next sentence. The teacher appeared angry. The linking verb here is appeared, as it links teacher and angry together. So kids, we learned that linking verbs do not tell about any action, but they link the noun or the pronoun to its description. Kids, some helping verbs are also there, which help the main verbs in doing their job. We help our parents. Here, help is the main verb. we should help our parents. Here, should is a helping verb of the main verb help. I play football. Here, play is the main verb in the sentence. I am playing football. Here, am is the helping verb of the main verb playing. She writes very neatly. Here, writes is the main verb. She is writing very neatly. Here, is the helping verb of the main verb writing. He kicks the ball very hard. Here, kicks is the main verb of the sentence. He has kicked the ball very hard. Here, has is the helping verb of the main verb kicks. They play in the ground. Here, play is the main verb in the sentence. They are playing in the ground. Here, are is the helping verb of the verb playing. They were going to watch a movie. Here, going is the main verb in the sentence, and were is the helping verb of the main verb going. So friends, we have learned so many helping verbs, and the most common helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, be, being, been, had, do, does, did, done, could, should, would, can, will, may, might, and so on. Helping verbs also describe whether the action is being performed or has been performed or is yet to be performed. That is, helping verbs help to form the tenses. In other words, helping verbs mainly tell whether the action is happening in the present, has already happened in the past, or will happen in the future. Finally, helping verbs also tell about the mood of the sentence. Let's revise. Main verbs describe an action. Linking verbs link the noun or pronoun to its description. And the helping verbs help the main verbs in their functions. Kids, we will learn about tenses and mood in detail in our next sections. So kids, we learned about a variety of verbs. We will learn further about the types of verbs in detail in our next sections. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!